Indianapolis Woman is a brand for women. For nearly 20 years, we have educated, motivated, and inspired the women of Central Indiana. Always a local feel with national quality, Indianapolis Woman magazine is becoming more than a printed issue. As people change the way they consume media, we're changing the way it's delivered. We inspire through web, print magazines, engaging social media, video, mobile interaction, full digital issues, and our latest, the Indianapolis Woman iPad app. Why should Indianapolis Woman be important to you? Women account for 85% of all consumer purchases. 87% of our readers are women. Whether it's through a custom publishing product, Facebook post, or QR scan, our readers will hear your message because we delivered it. Here are a few numbers to think about. We have 150,000 monthly readers, the largest circulation of any consumer magazine in the state of Indiana. 7,000 plus active social media fans. 250,000 plus monthly page views. 78% of our readers have attended or graduated from college. 1. Our brand speaks to one person at a time. This creates our unique sense of trust. Now let's talk about how you can be a part of this experience. Indianapolis Woman, the brand for women.